2, 1. All right, here with Aurora Central Catholic coach Nathan Dry. Chargers lose to Marmion Academy here tonight, 54-47. Coach, you've been coaching for a long time. Is this a game that, have you seen this before? A loss like this in your coaching career?
I don't know that we've gone like this before. You know, I've seen games turn when guys come out. You know, obviously the game turned when Steve fouled out. So I mean, that made obviously that impacted the entire course of the game and it affected the outcome of the game. So I mean, that was, you know, I've seen that before. I don't know. I can't tell you
right.
You know, I try not to remember those as much as possible.
Yeah, of course, that absolutely. So you say, is it that official's call? Are you saying that was a call that you thought was questionable, or something that you thought should not have been called at that particular time?
I don't think it was a foul to begin with, and I definitely don't think you can call it at that time. I thought it was a terrible call, to be honest. You know, I think when a call like that turns around the entire game, then it shouldn't be made. You know, I don't think it was a foul, and it changed the entire game. And to have, you know, to go that long and, you know, have it all come down to that was, you know, I mean, that's just a shame, because, you know, both teams played hard and played well, and, you know, to have it come down to something like that was obviously pretty disappointing for us.
Well, we as reporters, we had to shift our storyline completely there the last 4 minutes. You know, I was writing a couple different things, and all of a sudden we're talking about this comeback. You answered a few minutes ago. Is this one of these things where you blow up the tape and don't talk about it again on Monday at practice?
No,
or is it something that you learn from something like this?
I think so. You know, I was positive. You know, for 28 minutes we did exactly what we wanted to do. We played well. You know, we built a lead and we were extending it as the game went along. You know, so we did exactly what we wanted to do. You know, you can't account for things like that to happen. You know, we didn't handle the situation well, obviously, but, you know, our kids for 28 minutes, we did exactly what we wanted to do. We kind of fell apart down the stretch, obviously, but, you know, we did what we wanted to do. So I'm not going to, you know, a 4-minute stretch isn't going to change my opinion of how we played. I mean, our kids did what we asked them to do. You know, we didn't finish. We panicked when Steve fouled out, but, you know, our kids did what we wanted them to do, and so I'm not going to scream at them for that.
Thank you very much.